Hello everybody, I hope you are well. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a video where there is a window of your face talking at the same time that you can share your screen, so that you might want to show PowerPoint presentations or do drawings on your screen or whatever you need to do. Because lots of people have asked me, they've said, John, how do you do those videos where there's a little picture of you? What I'm going to do first of all, I'm just going to shrink myself a little bit, and there we are. Now, the program that I use is called OBS, so Open Broadcast Software. So if you go on to Google and you type in, there it is, comes up there, Open Broadcast Software, and you click on that. And you click there, then this is free to download. So using a Windows machine, if you click on Windows, then down the bottom here you can see that the file is downloading there, and once that has downloaded, if you click on it, then it will automatically download the program for you. I'm not going to let it do that because I'm currently using Open Broadcast Software to make this video, and it might create some conflicts. So once you have downloaded it and opened up the program, then you will be faced with a screen that looks something like this. The key technical thing to do when you first open up the software is in the box down here where it says sources. And I have here three things already in it to make this video, but when you initially open it, that will be blank. And this is getting you to give the program access to the bits on your computer to record the video. So I have given it access to my video capture device, that's my webcam. I've given it access to the display capture, so that's my laptop display, and to my microphone. And to add these things, all I did was was press add, and they come up here. So if you want to make gaming videos, you can just capture the game that you're playing. If you want to talk over a video, you can just capture the video. So there's lots of options there to play with, but to kind of get you started with making a video of you sharing your display, then these are the three things you need to add: the video capture device, the display capture device, and the audio input. And then once you have that, then over here on the right hand side, it says here stop recording, because I'm currently recording, but that would say, if I wasn't recording, start recording. And that's all you do. You just click start recording and it will start recording. And when you do start recording, so if I shut this down, then and you're looking at my laptop, I can't actually see myself at the moment. You can see me talking, but I can't see myself. So I'm just talking to the camera, showing you what's on my laptop. So if I wanted you to show you a PowerPoint, for example, I'll just open up a PowerPoint and then start talking through that. And it really is as simple as that. Once you've stopped your recording, then you can click stop recording, and you'll stop recording. If you want to be a little bit out there and do a live streamed lesson, then you can just stream it to a YouTube address if you wanted to. Now, once when it records, this might be different for you, but for me, it records into my videos file. So click videos, and inside my video file here, you can see some videos that I made earlier. And so, as I showed you on a previous tutorial, it's very easy to then use those videos to upload onto your YouTube channel. So there we are. That is a very quick and simple guide to how to use OBS software have fun with it. There's lots more you can do with it, with sort of transitions and things, to actually make some quite slick videos. But that's the basic functionality of how to create a video with yourself talking in the corner. Oh, I forgot to mention as well, you can change the size of your image as well. So if you click on the image of you talking, you can expand it or you can shrink it like that. So some of you might have seen my French Revolution videos where it's half of the image is me talking, and the other half is a PowerPoint. So therefore I set up my PowerPoints to only show on the left hand side of the screen, whilst my image is talking on the right hand side of the screen. And then so I can now transition from me talking in the corner. There we are. Now I should come up talking large. So there's all sorts you can do with this. So have fun and be creative with it. And I hope that helps you make even better videos for your distance teaching.